To every woman who feels like she's not doing enough, this is for you. Hi, I'm Mercy, and welcome to Growing Out Loud, a space where we honestly talk about growth, identity, life, and everything in between. If you are becoming, evolving, or figuring things out, this is the right space for you. Let's grow out loud. Today is International Women's Day, but I want to celebrate women who are becoming, not perfect, still in transition, outgrowing old versions of themselves, and being misunderstood because of growth. So many women build quietly, heal quietly, and try quietly. Because it's not loud, they feel invisible. But growth does not need audience to be valid. Those small steps count. Myself this question lately: who am I becoming? Not who I was, not who do people expect me to be, but who am I becoming? Becoming is actually uncomfortable. It's waking up and you realize your old mindset doesn't fit anymore. It's wanting more, not fully knowing what more looks like yet. It's feeling the shift internally before your life reflects it externally. You are not confused, you are becoming. So, in my journey of becoming, there are things I'm learning and I would love to share with you. Outgrowing old versions of yourself. And sometimes the hardest part about becoming is letting go of that old version of you that people are comfortable with. The quieter you, the smaller you, that part of you that didn't challenge anything. But growth will stretch you. Growth will cost you. It might even cost you relationships. That doesn't mean you are wrong. It means you are expanding. Growing yourself is not betrayal, it's alignment. Secondly, I'm also learning that becoming is feeling misunderstood. That means disappointing people who are attached to the old version of you. And sometimes that means being called different. But you are not here to remain digestible. You are here to become. And not everyone will understand your evolution, especially those who benefited from your limitation. Thirdly, I've learned, or I'm learning, that you do not need permission to evolve. Many of us were raised to wait, and somewhere along the way, we learned to wait. Wait until someone agrees. Wait until someone says you are ready. Wait until someone gives you the green lights. But growth does not need a committee. Unless maybe when seeking advice or guidance, which is also not from everyone, I believe. If there is something in your life that you feel you need to change, you don't need permission. You can redefine yourself, you can rebuild, you can outgrow spaces. Growth is not linear. It's not a straight line from A to B. It's messy, it's layered, it's self-compassion paired with intentional actions. You are not behind, you are becoming. And finally, I'm also learning that strength isn't loud. It's not always big speeches or dramatic comebacks. Strength sometimes is quiet. It's getting up when you fall. It's trying again even when nobody claps for you. It's doing small things consistently even when you are scared. Every time you act despite fear, your brain learns that you can survive it. So today, I don't just celebrate the woman who has arrived. I celebrate the woman in process, the woman rebuilding, the woman figuring things out, the woman growing quietly, the woman becoming boldly. You are not behind, you are not late, you are becoming. To every woman becoming, your growth is valid, your journey matters, those small steps count. Subscribe and join this community because we are not perfect, but we are growing and we are doing it out loud. Happy International Women's Day.